So this is Natalia from Mamatime Posh, and I have a Goodwill out. Oh, Goodwill. Oh, it's not out. Goodwill. All right, I hope you're in here to see what I got. I have the same outfit as the another video because I have to film them together. And I went on the same day as I got the package, so let's jump right in. Okay, so first item I got was this Calvin Klein dress, which I not always pick up, but this was a little bit bigger size 12. It's like a very easy little black dress. It has a little spot, but it's just dirty. Stretchy, looser fit. You know, I love those kind of dresses myself. It's way too big, but it is very cool. I would definitely wear that, so I got it, and they had sale on some tags for half price. So I ended up getting them. This one I got for myself. It's the Hari. If it doesn't fit, I can always sell it. It was half price. It was like $2.50. It's like a full wrap v-neck top, very soft and comfy. We'll see how it fits. I'll probably keep it. Next one, I have this Torrid 2X or size 2 there, so 2X. This pretty, I think it's a dress or like a tunic. Very beachy, boho. Like on, it has off shoulder area here, and it also has straps, wider straps to cover your bra, which is great. You know, for us that have bigger chests, it's very important. So it's like shorter. Yeah, it's maybe like right above knee. And Torrid can do really good, so I decided to pick up, and also brings a lot of eyes to my closet, so I always get it. And I have to say, older pieces sell really quick. I mean, maybe it's off season a little bit, but hey, it's still really pretty. Next one, excuse me, is Japna. I don't really pick up this brand much. 100% rayon, which is good, natural fabric. But I got it based on style. This is a jumpsuit. And it has those cool legs. Look. Like flared with ruffle. So I'll try it myself first before I decide if I want to sell it, but it's really cool. It has pockets. Yeah, we'll see. I might take a picture and post it on my my reseller Instagram if you guys are interested. It is Mamatime Posh on Instagram, but on Poshmark I'm just Mamatime. I'll link it below. Next one, I got this swimsuit cover up, or it could be like a nice poncho to put over a tank. Very bohemian, shorter in front, very oversized. It has no brand, but I thought it was so cute. It's based on style. I wanted to pick it up. Next one, this is just for my mom, little modal fabric. She loves that fabric. Next one are those Zara Moto leggings. They're like cream color, stretchy, and I've actually found them. Yeah, I found them, you know, where there's fitting rooms. I always check that area. I always find good stuff there, and I leave my good stuff there if I change my mind, so always check that area. And next item will be hard to show here. Maybe I'll find like a stock picture to add. This gorgeous dress from Bcbg Max Azria, and it's 8. Has like a padding and non-slip here, back zip dress, and it's like a gown, flared with gold specks in it. It's like blue and green, really pretty. I'll try it on. I don't have anywhere to go, but it is very pretty. And Bcbg Max Azria can sell for really good money for me. I just sold a dress for $90, so you know, I think it sits quite a while, but it is worth it still. I mean, my puppy, she's always right there in the business. I don't know. You guys like dogs? I love dogs, but drive me nuts. Next one is Natori, which is good brand. It's definitely worth picking up. And this is hot pink maxi dress. I'll, depending how much it is, I would keep it otherwise, but it is so soft and comfy and maxi, and the color is amazing. And I check it twice, make sure it has nothing on it. It's size small, but it looks like a little bigger. And this brand, I checked comps for it, and it was like, depending on style, there were some that were selling for $200. So yeah, I remember that brand. I've been focusing on selling mostly high-end items myself, and items that sell quickly, you know, things that are very popular, like Birkenstock and Tory Burch shoes. I know those always sell really quick and bring a lot of traffic to my store, so I sell them. And then I'll pick up high-end to send to Real or sell it myself. Next item is this men's item, which is the only one I got. I wasn't sure what it was because I knew this logo. I couldn't remember it. I sold it many times before, but for some reason my mind was going blank when I saw it. And it is actually Ariat. This is oh, there it is. See, always check pockets. There we go. This is really good brand, and this is really good buy because this is extra large men's reversible vests, and they can sell really good. So if you find, and shoes, boots, cowboy boots, everything really I ever got from this brand sold for really good profit. So definitely be on the lookout. And that's it for my little haul. I've been trying to buy only stuff that I know will sell quickly and stuff that it sells for a lot more. I changed my whole strategy, and I'm not buying like $15-20 bread and butter stuff. At least I bought it for myself and it didn't fit, then then I will sell it. But I've been trying not to buy so much stuff because it can work, the other model, for somebody who has a lot of storage or has a unit or something, or home office. But I have very limited space in my house for my business. So I've been focusing on sending things to Real and, buying like high-end items that I know will bring a lot of profit. And this way I have, I put less amount of work, because instead of selling 4 $10 items, I sell one $40 item, and I have bigger profit doing only 1/4 of the work. I hope that makes sense to you guys. Anyway, everybody has their own style, but this is just what I have to do. Okay, she wants to be in a video, so here you go. There's my puppy. Say hi, Sky. Want to say hi? Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned some brands you didn't know. Please like and subscribe and share. I am still very new here and I need your help. So I would really appreciate your shout outs. And thanks for watching. Bye.